Hey, it's Dr. David here from El Paso Manual Physical Therapy. I'm just fitting my client here with their knee brace that they need to make sure that her problem gets all the way resolved. And now, prior to coming in, she wasn't sure what kind of brace to use. She actually just had the sleeve that didn't have any metal brackets or any straps like this. And because she's not in the physical therapy world, she just doesn't have a good idea for what kind of brace to use. And she just bought the first brace she found, and it gave her a little bit of relief, but it wasn't exactly what she needed. And then after that, after we figured that out, then we discussed how long to use a brace, because it is important that if you're going to be using a knee brace for a knee problem, that you learn exactly how long to use it and know when to stop using it, because if you never get off the knee brace, it can cause some serious problems later on the road. It can actually keep you injured. So if you're out there with a knee problem and you're looking to use a knee brace, look to get some professional help with deciding how to use that knee brace, what kind of knee brace to get, and how long to use it, and when to not use it. There's certain times, activities that you need to start getting out of the knee brace. It's important for your full recovery. So guys, if you have any questions about knee problems and specifically knee braces, we'd be happy to help. You can reach us at 915-503-1314. And we'll be happy to chat with you, and at no obligation. We could just offer you information over the phone. You can schedule a call with a physical therapist. And if you just want to learn more about us, check out our website and download some of our free resources on there. Go to the blogs, the blog tab, and there's tons of blogs in there with helpful information for the knee and back and other problems as well. I hope you have a wonderful day, El Paso. Bye-bye.